This time we're going to try extraction. And out this way. This time we're going to try extraction from these tiny little Kmart fans. Hopefully come through the filter. Out this way. I think they can do it. That's the water base, Pete. I was successful. You can't smell anything anywhere. It's purple and black. Sorry, we're gonna do the smell check again. I must say, water base is the way to go. I don't really smell too much. I can't get either of those open. I even googled it. I can't do it. Wear eye protection though, because if this stuff gets in your eye, it'll be an eyesore. I just opened the white water-based acrylic white matte paint. And I used the entire can. The second chair doesn't have full coverage, and if they don't sell, then they'll get another coat, because by then I would have been to Bunnings. I'm forbidden to go to Bunnings. I'm forbidding myself because that place just takes all my money. Okay, I'm about to give everybody the squirts. The green squirts, the fluoro green squirts. That's when you know it's serious. Fluoro green. I forgot to shut the very last zipper. I was spraying, so it was open that entire time. It stinks here. Yeah, it stinks where I left the zipper. That's the extraction mode, Kmart version. Red Poeng chair. I use the squirts. I'm gonna finish it. I've got two fans drying it, so I hope no one's annoyed. It's done.